Hey everybody, welcome back to Kindle Crafting Journey. I'm about to show you how to make a quick, easy, step-by-step keychain. It's only about 3 different color beads and you can make this in a couple of minutes. I'm going to show you how to do the pattern. I'm going to show you how to put the beads together and to tie it off. Right now I'm showing you how to make the pattern. Basically it's just 3 different types of beads and I'm doing a 1-2 pattern where you take 1 bead and then you put 2 beads, but I changed the beads to 2 different colors. So I'm doing a clear, then I did a green, and then I did a peach color. And basically you're going to keep repeating the same pattern where you got the clear, then you got the green and the peach color. You're going to have about 11 rows, but that's depending on if you want it longer or shorter. I like to keep mine a little bit short because I don't really like a long keychain, so that's totally up to you. I would like to also mention what I'm using to put my bead pattern on so it doesn't move around is a clear sleeve, but I also added like a clear tape so it can have something to stick on, because that's what I have and that's what I have laying around, so I go ahead and just use that because it works. If y'all can hear my dog in the background, y'all have to excuse her. She is outside barking for no reason. As you can see, this is the basic pattern for the keychain, and once you have your pattern together, all you got to do now is take it and start adding it onto the string. Okay, at this point I've already tied the string onto the key ring, and so I'm basically taking it and I'm going to start stringing up the bead. Basically you take one end of the string and go through one side, and then take the other string and you go through the other side, and once you get the string through the sides, you're just gonna pull it tight. So you grab it and you just pull it tight, and you keep continuing to do this throughout the entire pattern, and that just basically helps to lock it in place. And so now, instead of going through 1 bead, you're gonna go through 2 beads, and so you get that first string through, and then once you get the first string through, you're going to take that other string and you're going to go back through the bead again. And once you get both strings through where you can pull it, go ahead and pull it tight, and then you have started your pattern, and you just continue on until you get to the end. And these are just the colors that I chose, but you can use any color combination you like. And once you figure out what color combination you like, you can just start making your patterns and make as many as you want. And sometimes I take these and I use these to, at craft fairs. And it's just a easy, simple keychain that I can make on the fly. And once you make these keychains, you can pretty much do whatever you want. And you can change up the pattern, you can change up the colors. Instead of doing the 1, 2, you can do 2, then do 1, or you can do 3, 4, however you decide to make it. But this keychain is very versatile. You can make it how you want, but this is just one of the simple ways you can make one and kind of get a lot of different color combinations out of it. If you guys decide to make a keychain somewhat like this, please let me know, because I want to see what you guys can make with just these small amount of items, and what color combinations you come up with. Okay, right here I've put on the last bead, so I'm just basically making a knot, and then I'm going to make another knot, just an overhand regular knot, and just tie it tight. And then I'm going to take my lighter and basically burn the middle, and it kind of melts it to keep it in place, because this is a synthetic string, so once you put heat to it, it just melts into itself. And that's basically it. Now, if you made it to the end of this video, I would like you to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends about these videos. This is just a simple keychain that pretty much anyone can make, and I give you step-by-step directions, so you can make a bunch of these and it won't take you but a small amount of time.